Please not that hungry. Too much to be true. Slow down, Thunder. I'm fat. Mother. Stop there. Okay. Get your ow. Ow. Sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Hey, my name is Brandon Cobble with Coastal Woodworking and Concrete Design, and today we are building a built-in bunk bed. This bed's for a client out on the island who recently purchased a home to add to their collection of Airbnbs. Now, we only got out to the house one time to take measurements, so as you'll see in the video, I am a little scared that we made it all fit exactly the way that it was supposed to fit, but you'll see that closer to the end of the video. Obviously, we got to start by milling our lumber. As you can see, the edges of the lumber are rounded and they're just not straight or flat in any way. So we're going to start by fixing this. All right.
They say I'm young, they say I'm dumb, but what they don't know, it's where I've been and who I am, all the ways I've grown. Blood and sweat, tears and regret, made me hard as stone. On my own, on my own. Put the work in, yeah, I earned it. It's my destiny. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm on top. Can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh. Do a double take, see me on fire, see that I can't break. Knew I'd be great, knew I would rise through all of the pain. All of the love, start with it now, keeper of all faith. Never changed. Put the work in, yeah, I earned it. It's my destiny. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm on top. Can't be stopped. Shooting my shot.
Okay, so this is the top bunk, and this is the side that goes against the wall right here. And this side is the side facing the entryway of the room. And obviously we'll place a base on the top as well for the mattress to sit on.
You want this plug, right? This one here first?
Right.
Let me cut this a little bit off.
true.
Little 6-pound, 7-ounce baby Jesus. Dear Lord baby Jesus, we also thank.
Away in the manger, the Brandon will rest. That's for that piece, isn't it?
This is the good side up. So be careful. Okay.
Shimmy.
See if Brandon did his job. Did one job, Brandon.
One job. Actually, not sure yet. My 37.
And actually, hold on.
Yeah, this has it right in the wrong way.
Come my way.
This is the outside. With your little things here that attach your thing to the
Hey,
thing.
hey Gary, shut the fuck up.
It's alright. I know that thinking stuff's not your strong suit.
Gary.
Slow down, Thunder, I'm fast.
Screw in here that's.
Ow! Hit me in the head. Hold on. I've already cleaned how this is gonna work. But you're gonna have to work quick.
So these screws here need to come out though, right?
Alright, get them. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it forever, but I got it. That's what I was saying. This is gonna be quick. You need to go outside?
I gotta go behind this thing.
We should pull those out. Previous.
Okay, that's out.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Pull it over.
I got it.
Alright, screw that bitch in. From the outside, level with the top.
Level at the top. Got it. Something covers it, you said?
Huh?
Something covers it?
Yes.
Yeah, something covered it.
Okay, you got a hold of it?
Not really. I'm starting to lose it. Even with the top.
Yeah.
Hey, before you do that side, do the other side because you want to pull it to that side first.
Okay. Do this outside here?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh, it changes life up here now. Doesn't make it wonderful, but it makes it so much better. Okay, level. Level on the back wall. Coming in, Gary.
Down on your side. Down on your side.
Yeah.
There we go. Stop there.
Okay.
Get your.
Ow.
Ow. Sorry, dude. I'm so sorry.
Doesn't matter on that side out there right this second.
It kind of does because until I go in here.
When you drill it in, it'll raise it. Make sure it's flat on the back and hit the first stud that you know is right.
But it has to come down a little bit. There you go. Got it.
Are you sure that's straight and level on the back now?
It's leveled this way and up on your end.
That's what I said. This is the most important. It'll level the rest of the other part out when you screw it in. I'm fat. Thank God. Woo!
He's bulging with what could be muscle.
Yeah, what could be, but isn't anymore. And there you have it, built-in bunk beds. Done. Let us know in the comments section below what you would have done differently had you built the beds. Also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Believe it or not, it really does help us get our name out there. Thank you again for all your support, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.